Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, children. So again, good morning once again, children.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Last
Morning, ma'am.
class. Okay, last class we just discussed about weather and climate. Okay, so I have told you some days. Okay, even if we are experiencing. Adityan, mute your audio. Okay, even if we are experiencing different seasons, okay, different seasons, still some days it may be means it might be very cloudy or it sunny. Okay, see children, the weather, it is changing dramatically. Okay, it's changing hour to hour. Okay, so weather means it is the hour to hour or day to day changes in the atmosphere. Okay, summer means that we are not experiencing throughout, means very hot throughout the summer days. Okay, and even if we are experiencing different seasons, okay, we are experiencing means the weather in the atmosphere, weather it is changing. Okay, there are changes are happening in the weather. Okay, atmosphere it is changing. Okay, so hour to hour it is changing. Okay, morning it was raining, but the very next time, okay, sometimes it may be very hot. Okay, sometimes it might be cloudy. Okay, or sunny. Okay, so the changes dramatically, the weather conditions are changing in the atmosphere. Okay, so the changes in the weather condition means in the changes in the atmosphere, it is known as weather. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
And
Ayan,
what is
can
the
you tell?
problem? Adityan, what is the problem? Can you hear me?
Sir, by mistake, I am going to fall.
By mistake? You are just moving from one side to the other, putting your arms here, there. Anybody else is there
No, sir.
near you? Okay. Carry on.
Okay, okay, sir. Adityan, can you tell me what you mean by weather? Can you tell me the definition?
Ma'am, weather means day-to-day changes.
Yes. Okay, the day to day or hour to hour changes in the atmosphere, it is known as weather. Okay, I have told you, even if we are experiencing different season, okay, the changes are happening. Okay, the changes are happening. That means hour to hour. Okay, see, morning sometimes it was very bright today, but after some, then very next time it may change into a rainy day. Okay, and so the question will come, what you mean by climate? Okay, so the changes, the average weather, okay, the average weather changes that recorded over a long period of time, it is referred as climate. Okay, it is not a changes that happened hour to hour or in a day to day changes. Okay, it is an average weather condition of a place, of a certain means of a particular area or a particular place that is being recorded over a long period of time. That means on average of 30 years, more than 30 years. Okay, we know that the climate of desert, it is very dry. Okay, dry, and because of less water bodies. Okay, and scanty rainfall. Okay, so we know the climate of desert, okay, and mountains. Okay, so children, the climate, okay, it is an average weather condition of a particular place. Okay, that is recorded, particular place or a particular area that is recorded over a long period of time. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so climate, Okay, climate means that it is an average weather condition of a particular place that is recorded over a long period of time. It is not the changes that happen hour to hour.
Can
or
you say
day.
once more?
Yeah, sure. Okay, the average, let me share the screen. Then you can write from there. Okay, whether it is the hour to hour or day to day conditions of the atmosphere. Okay, it is dramatically, it is changing. Okay, some days, okay, it would be, sometimes it would be very bright and sunny. Okay, the very next time it will change into cloudy and raining, windy or less windy. Okay, so that hour to hour or day to day condition of the atmosphere, it is known as weather. And climate. Okay, it is the average weather condition of a place, okay, recorded over a long period of time. The average weather condition of a particular place. Okay, it's recorded over a long period of time. It is known as climate. So weather can be changed dramatically from day to day. Okay, but the climate, it is referred as the average weather condition. Okay, children, it's had taken over a long period means that an average of more than 30 years. Okay, so it's an average weather condition of a place that is recorded over a long period of time. It is referred as climate. Okay, I have told you about season. Okay, the cyclical changes. What do you mean by seasons?
The cyclical
Changes
changes
That happened over a period of an year. Okay, yeah. Okay, the cyclical changes that happened, okay, in the means in the atmosphere, okay, or in the weather, the climatic, the average of a weather and the climate of a place that is recorded over a period of an year, it is known as seasons. Okay, so the weather, it is an hour to hour or day to day changes in the atmosphere. Okay, but climate, it is an average weather condition, average weather condition of a place that is being recorded over a long period of time. The climate of desert, okay, or the climate of mountains, hill stations. Yeah. Yes.
Miss, I was saying the answer, but her network something problem.
So it's an average weather condition of a place recorded over a long period of time. Okay, then comes the temperature. Okay, see children, the temperature we feel every day is the temperature of the atmosphere, right? Some days it's very hot. Okay, so the temperature we feel every day is the temperature of the atmosphere, right? Okay, so what do you mean by temperature? The degree of hotness
and coldness of the air is known as temperature.
The degree of the hotness and coldness of the air, it is known as temperature. Okay, the temperature of the atmosphere changes. Okay, not only between day and night. Some days, sometimes day it is very hot. At night it might be very cool, right? Okay, and some season to season, we know that summer season it is very hot during the summer days and it is very cold during the winter time. Okay, and so season to season. Okay, and summers are hotter than winters, right? Summer it is very hot. Okay, so the temperature okay, we feel every day, okay, it is the temperature of the atmosphere. Okay, so the degree of hotness and coldness of the air, it is known as temperature.
Temperature.
Okay, who is not muted? Okay, then there are some factors affects the temperature of a particular place or an area. Okay, and an important factor that influences the distribution of temperature is insolation.
Ma'am, insulation. Two eyes are there.
Yeah, sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Solar energy.
Yes, insolation. It means that incoming solar energy intercepted by the earth. Okay, that means incoming solar radiation. Insolation, it means that incoming solar radiation. Okay, incoming solar energy that is being intercepted by the earth. And children, the insolation, the amount of insolation decreases from the equator towards the poles. Let me explain, children. After that, you can write it. Okay. Children, we know that equator. What is equator?
The middle.
Yes, imaginary horizontal line.
Divide center of the earth. Divide sense from
Imaginary horizontal line that
And
divides
will
the
divide
earth
the
into two
equal parts.
okay, two equal halves. And there are two endpoints.
North Pole and
North Pole and South Pole.
North Pole and the South Pole.
North Pole and South Pole.
And see, children, we know that the places that are close to the equator. Okay. Yes. The earth is, see, children, the earth is tilted on its axis, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the earth is tilted on its axis, and at the same time the earth is, because of the earth movement, rotation and the revolution, there are two movements. Do you remember all this?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
As the earth is tilted on its axis, and because of the earth movements, all the latitudes do not get the same amount of sunlight. Is it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, which are the which are the latitudes? Which are the can Parvati Menon? Can you tell me the latitudes?
Latitude of equator.
Yeah, equator, which is the most important latitude, lies in the middle. Yeah.
Tropic of Cancer.
Yes, Tropic of Cancer.
Tropic of Capricorn.
Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, then
Antarctic Circle.
Antarctic Circle and the
Arctic Circle.
Arctic Circle. Okay, this all you have studied in your previous classes. Okay, so these are the major latitudes. Okay, and as the earth is tilted, means the earth is tilted on its axis. Okay, at the same time the earth is rotating, means the rotation and the revolution, the earth is revolving around the sun. Okay, so all the latitudes do not get the same amount of sunlight. Okay, and the places that are close to the equator, means at the center. Yeah, the center. Are, can you tell me?
Hot
No,
and
okay. The places that are close to the equator, receiving the direct
rays of sun.
direct or the vertical sun rays. Is it?
Direct rays of sunlight.
Okay, so the places that are close to the equator are very hot. Okay, torrid zone. Okay, and what about this one?
Temperate zone.
Oh yes, they are getting the places in the tropics. Okay, means they are getting
Not direct,
slanting,
but
slanting
sun.
rays
Slanting
of
rays of the sun.
Okay, they are getting slanting rays of the sun.
Sun.
The places in between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, okay, is receiving the vertical rays of the sun. Okay, and the places here in Arctic and Antarctic Circle is receiving slanting rays of the sun. And what about the poles?
no sunrise.
Yeah.
Sunrise
Yeah,
will not
waveform.
reach there.
Sunrise.
Is
month of
is they are
sunlight, 6 months
experiencing
of
the
night.
vertical rise?
It's not.
Is it a vertical rays or
No, ma'am.
slanting rays?
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
See, children,
Slightly.
they are getting least sunlight. Okay, the places close to the polar circle, okay, or to the poles, okay, they are getting, okay, that places are experiencing very least sunlight.
Sunlight.
Okay, so these places are always covered with the
No.
snow. Okay, that is extreme cold in the polar circle or the poles. Okay, so insolation. We are discussing about insolation. Insolation is the incoming solar energy, right? See, children? Yes, the incoming solar energy means solar radiation. Okay, that is being intercepted by the earth. Okay. Okay, so the places, those who are close to the equator, receiving the direct sun rays. Okay, so the places that are means the places that are close to the equator are very hot. Okay, but while it comes to the poles, okay, while it comes to the poles, the amount of insolation is
Decreases.
yes, very good. It is decreasing. Okay, the amount of insolation decreases. Children, am I audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, all of you mute your audio. Yes.
Ma'am, when there is the earth is tilted.
Yes.
Ma'am, the earth is tilted, so the poles will get for like 6 months of
Yes,
6
6
months
months
of
of
sunlight and 6
sunlight and
months
6
of
months
night.
of
and then 6 months
darkness.
of
Yeah, because one face of the poles while facing the sun, the other face means the other part remains dark. Okay, okay, and there is only 2 seasons in the polar circle,
Summer and winter.
Summer and winter.
summer and winter. Okay. So insolation means that the incoming solar energy, okay, intercepted by the earth. Okay, that means incoming solar radiation, that you meant by insolation, incoming solar energy or radiation. Okay, insolation. Okay, and the amount of solar radiation, the amount of insolation decreases while it moves to the poles. Okay, the places, those who are close to the equator is much hotter than the place when temperate and the frigid zone. Okay, because they are receiving the slanting rays of the sun, and while it comes to the poles, there is least sunlight. Okay, least sunlight. Okay, is it clear, children? Is it clear? Okay, so what do you mean by insolation?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by insolation?
Insolation is
Incoming solar energy.
Insolation is incoming solar energy.
One of your audio is
Intercepted.
yeah. Yes, incoming solar energy
Insolation is
that
an
is
Which
being
is
intercepted by
intercepted by the earth. Amount of
changes.
isolation.
and the amount of insolation
Isolation
decreases
decreases
from the equator
towards the
towards
equator towards the
pole.
pole.
Towards the pole.
Okay, is it clear, my dear children? Is it clear to you all? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Who
show the
is not
slide?
muted?
Ma'am, can you show the previous slide?
Which one? This one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Mute your audio, children. Please mute your audio. Okay. The incoming solar energy intercepted. Again, someone is not muted. Incoming solar energy intercepted by the earth. Okay, the latitudes as the earth is tilted on its axis. Okay, and because of the movement of the earth, okay, all the latitudes do not get the same amount of sunlight. Okay, and the places, those who are close to the equator is experiencing or receiving the vertical rays of the sun, direct sun rays. So that places are much hotter than the other places.
Other places.
Okay, so the amount of insolation decreases
Decreases from
while it
equator
moves towards the poles. Okay, there are two endpoints, North Pole and the South Pole.
South
Pole.
Okay, as the earth it is tilted, as Sri Ram said, okay, the poles, there means, yes, 6 months darkness and 6 months daylight.
Island.
Which place?
So what you mean by temperature, children? The degree
The
of
degree of
Hotness
hotness
of
and
coldness of
coldness.
air.
Degree of hotness and coldness. The air is known as cold temperature. On air is called temperature.
Children, the temperature we feel, that is the temperature in the atmosphere. Okay, that is the temperature in the atmosphere. If it is hot, if the air is hot, we also feel very hot. Okay, we also feel very hot.
Temperature changes not
And
only.
you know which instrument we use to measure the temperature?
Thermometer.
Also, you just note it down, children. Thermometer is used to measure the temperature. Yes. Thermometer measures the temperature. Someone's audio is not muted. And the standard unit of measuring temperature is degree Celsius. Yes, degree Celsius. And do you know the Celsius that water freezes? Water freezes at
0 degrees
degree
Celsius.
Okay, and boils?
100 degrees Celsius.
Okay, children, the hour-to-hour or day-to-day condition of the atmosphere, it is known as weather. Okay, it is changing by hour-to-hour or day-to-day, it is changing. Okay, children. So now today it was very means heavily rain. Okay, raining during the morning, but now it was almost bright now, right?
Yes.
Here. Okay, so it's hour-to-hour or day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. It is dramatically, it is changing. Constantly, it is getting changing. That is known as weather. Have you seen the weather updates in the television?
Yes,
news and all?
ma'am.
Yeah, in our mobile phone.
Yes, ma'am.
Mobile phones
Yes.
also we can see the weather updates, and it's not the same for every place, right? Maybe different for different places. Okay, and climate. Yes, newspaper clippings we can see, newspaper we can see, television news we can see the weather updates of the different places. Okay, it's the time. And climate, it is an average weather condition. Okay, it's an average taken weather condition of a place recorded over a long period and 30 years, children. It's okay, it's average.
Why
It's
it is
an
said
average.
average weather
Yeah,
condition?
that's what I have told you. Average means that sometimes I have told you it is changing, right? Okay, weather it is always changing. Average means that for a long period we will observe, okay, the weather changes, okay, more than 30 years. I have told you it's an average of more than 30 years. Okay, we will observe the changes that happened in the particular area or the particular place, and we have taken the weather condition. That means that the climate. That you mean by the climate. I have told you desert. Okay, how we are means the desert. The climate is too dry and less rainfall. Yeah, less water bodies, scanty rainfall. Then we will term it as a desert. So the climate of a desert, okay, or a hill station, it's being the average weather condition of that particular place. Okay, that you meant by average. And thermometer, okay, thermometer is used to measure the temperature, okay, the degree of hotness and coldness of the air. It is known as temperature. Okay, and the temperature we feel, that is the temperature of the atmosphere. Okay, and insolation, it means that the incoming solar energy intercepted by the earth. Incoming solar radiation, okay, incoming in solar, okay, radiation. Okay, incoming solar radiation, that you mean by insolation. Okay, and the amount of insolation decreases from the equator towards the poles. Okay. Why it is being decreases? Because these places are experiencing the slanting rays and also the least sunlight. Okay, the poles, it is very least sunlight are experiencing. So the amount of insolation, it is decreasing. Okay, while it is moving towards the poles. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sure?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Next, we are going to study about air pressure. Okay, air pressure. I will just say an introduction about air pressure. Okay, and we will discuss more about air pressure on the next period. I think it's the time to wind up our class. Yes.
Ma'am, what in this picture? What is this red color arrow marks?
That's about only about the hotness. Okay, means that the places that who are close to the equator are very hot.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, only that much. And this lines is about this one, equator. Yeah. Between the places that are Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. See, children, can you see the picture?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, can you tell me what the girl is doing?
Blowing balloon.
Blowing a balloon. Blowing balloon.
Right. And the second picture?
Pumping the side.
Pumping the air.
And the next one?
Plum.
Yeah. Children?
Plumber.
Ice.
Okay. Okay, children. See, while we used to blow the balloons, right?
Yes. We use a thing that.
One type of air filler.
Yes.
Yes.
So, do you think air has weight?
No.
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 No or yes?
Yes.
Air has weight?
No.
No.
Who said no? How you know that air has no weight?
Because we can.
Because when we blow the balloons, it is lightweight.
Because it is lightweight. It's lightweight.
If it is nitrogen,
measure
it
the
is
weight rate.
floater. But if it is our oxygen, it will come down slowly.
What? It is our oxygen. What do you mean by
Ma'am, we
our
can-
oxygen?
And we can look the weight rate of the air.
Yes,
Is it?
look the weight.
Ah.
Ma'am,
Mm.
when we blow and blow and
How
it
we
increases
check?
the height and the height. It will
Tell me, Lakshmi. Tell me.
when we blow and that will reach a height.
Yeah.
It will increase, right?
Yeah. Yes. Okay. And what about while we pumping the cycle?
Pumping cycle.
Tires weight will
Air
be.
gets
Ah.
Air gets pressure.
Air get pressure. Okay.
Force.
Okay. Anyway, children, it's the time to wind up the class.
Air
Okay.
has
We will discuss about all
Ma'am,
this
air
on the
has
next day.
weight.
Air has weight.
Yes,
Yeah,
air has.
sure.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It's not a light weight. It has.
Air has weight.
Okay. And air means the air around us is pressing us always. Okay. The air around us, it is pressing us, but we do not feel it. Okay. The
Because we are
reason why
pressed
we
on
do
all
not
sides.
feel that we will discuss on the next day. Okay, children.
I feel.
Bye,
okay,
children.
ma'am. Bye,
Move
ma'am.
on to the
Thank you,
next
ma'am.
class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.